Hi everyone, I am Irfan Khan and you are watching my YouTube channel The Forex Nexus. In this video we will analyze multiple pairs and we will find out setup on different time frames. We will look for the re-entries. So let's start from USD JPY. On USD JPY you can see here we have inside momentum. Bollinger Band is expanding, so we can wait for the MA5 channel low on daily time frame. On MA5 channel low, if we got confirmation here, so we can buy, and our target will be on weekly time frame and market can hit the top PB. So we will wait for the re-entry on daily time frame. On H4 time frame you can see here the EMA 50 is getting outside of the Bollinger Band, and the Bollinger Band, the top BB is getting flat on H4 time frame, so better to wait for daily time frame, daily re-entry. Let's check out the gold. On my Telegram channel I explained the gold re-entry. We have a CSM, okay, but the market didn't given any re-entry after the CSM, so here we got on H4 time frame we have no momentum area. Now the market is getting retrace on 4 time frame, also on H1 time frame. On daily we have a possible selling area at this point. If we got confirmation here, if we got the confirmation on second time frame and third time frame as well at this particular area, so we can make a sell trade here, and we will hold our trade the lower band. If the market makes CSM, then we will hold, otherwise we will close our trade. BBPUSD on daily time frame got rejection from the MA5 the Bollinger Band, lower band. If we got here we got the rejection, so we need to check the daily weekly time frame. On weekly time frame you can clearly see we got the CSM, but the Bollinger Band is flat. Weekly re-entry, that might be a weak re-entry. So on H4 time frame we got rejection from the top BB. On H1 time frame we have extreme. Now the market is getting in flat area. Here we got a re-entry buy but didn't confirm. On H1 time frame we have no extreme. On M15 we have extreme plus MLV. MLV is formed in this shape. Here we got the extreme in the market mandatory, and then the MA5 channel low, and the market is going upside, but here we got the extreme as well. So the GBPUSD is a confused state, no clear direction for the entry, so wait for the clear direction on H4 time frame. If we got the CSM, then we can take our re-entry buy. On GBPUSD I think same scenario. On daily time frame the market didn't hit the low BB. On H4 time frame the market is looking flat. On 4 time frame, on H1 time frame we have extreme sell. Now the market is retracing to form MLB. If we got the MLB on H1 time frame, on M15 we need confirmation for taking trade here. We got extreme. So on daily time frame the market need to test the low BB, then it can if we got rejection on daily time frame, then we can get us buy trade. But you can see here the GBP USD and EURUSD charts are looking same. On weekly time frame making a re-entry, so better to wait for the clear direction. If we got momentum, then we can take a re-entry by GBPJPY on H4 time frame, making a re-entry after the CSM here. You can clearly see the candlestick momentum. MA5 10 low, re-entry by H1 time frame, hitting extreme 15, already formed MLV, so we can take this opportunity. Extreme plus MLV, BB take profit, first take profit if you got CSM. So 50 to 80 pips we can get on this trade. Keep your stop loss below the EMA 50, will be automatically below the MA5 10 low, also below the extreme point, MLV point, sorry. 130, waiting for re-entry on H4 time frame, make confirmation on top BB stream, also make confirmation on MLV point. Dow Jones, we got the momentum, but extreme is also forming. So on weekly time frame we have a re-entry buy, but also we have a sell scenario. On daily time frame the market is hitting low BB, so we can get re-entry after the re-entry after the CSM, but here we can also get the MLV for weekly time frame. So be careful with this trade. Focus on re-entry first, then also focus on MLV on H4 time frame. If we got the MLV, we can take a trade. Exotic pairs, I don't trade the Euro pairs. EURCAD, still looking for buy. Yeah, we can take a buy trade. Market can make a big move because it's a re-entry after the CST and daily time frame, still holding the trades in group. This is the overall view of market. Remember, before going to catch any trade, you need to make confirmation. Once you get the confirmation, because we always draw both scenario in sell direction as well and buy direction as well. If you got confirmation on selling area, so we sell. If you got confirmation on buy area, because if we didn't got the confirmation on buy selling area, it means that we have a buy setup, so we will wait for the buy re-entry then. If you are new and first time watching our channel, so please must subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get notification for further lessons and also the market updates. Thank you for watching the video.